In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a preferred Amazon pickup location to your address book. Adding a pickup location is a great way to keep your deliveries safe and convenient, especially if you're not always home. Let's walk through it step by step so you can quickly save a locker or counter location and use it at checkout anytime. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the address gets saved where you want it. If you're not signed in yet, Amazon may prompt you to log in before continuing. Next, move your mouse to the top right of the page and hover over your profile area. It's usually labeled Account and Lists. A menu will appear. From that menu, click on Account to open your account settings page. On the account page, find and select your addresses. This is your address book where all your shipping locations are stored and managed. Inside your addresses, click on Add Address. You'll see options to enter a regular street address, but for this tutorial, we're going to add a pickup point. Look for and click the link that says or find an Amazon pickup location near you. This opens a search specifically for Amazon lockers and counter locations. In the search field, type your zip code. You can also search by city if you prefer, but zip code typically gives the most precise nearby results. After you search, you'll see a list of pickup locations, often including lockers in retail stores or dedicated Amazon locker banks. Review the options and click on the location that fits your needs. Pay attention to the hours and whether it's a locker or a counter. Lockers are self-service kiosks. Counters are staffed pickup points inside partner stores. Choose one that's convenient to reach and has hours that work for you. When you've selected your preferred location, click Add to Address Book. Amazon will save this pickup point alongside your other addresses. You should now see it listed in your addresses, typically with the location name and a note that it's an Amazon pickup spot. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Not every item is eligible for pickup locations, so during checkout, you'll see whether your order can be delivered there. You can keep multiple pickup locations in your address book, and you can choose any of them at checkout. If you ever want to change or remove a pickup location, return to your addresses to edit it. That's it. You've successfully added a preferred Amazon pickup location to your address book, making your deliveries more secure and flexible.